20W USB PD technology charges iPhone 8 or later from 0 to 50% in 30 minutes, and other smartphones, tablets at optimal speeds. Small footprint for a non-intrusive fit to any room. MFi-certified USB-C cable with Lightning connector ensures full compatibility with all iOS devices, and adheres to high standards required by Apple. A $2,500 connected equipment warranty to protect your devices, and a 2-year product warranty give added peace of mind. Top reviews from the United States. Works with Rockstar. Works great charging through the Belkin Rockstar. I have a Galaxy S21. My 25-watt Samsung charger doesn't work through the Rockstar. The 25-watt Belkin charger doesn't work through the Rockstar. They both charge at super fast. They freeze up and don't work through the Rockstar. This 20-watt Belkin charger works at fast charge through the Rockstar. If you want one that works for this, then buy this unit, not the newer 25-watt model. I finally found one that works.